morning, this is Donalyn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and today we're going to be making cheesecake shot glass desserts. I actually got these little plastic shot glasses on Amazon, and there'll be a link in the description for this. And then I just am using a standard box mix for strawberry cheesecake. So let's get started. We're going to follow the directions on the box, and the first thing it says to do is take the crust mix. It's marked step 1 and pour it in a bowl. We're going to mix that with 2 tablespoons of sugar and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix those together to make the crust. Now we're going to put about ½ a tablespoon of our mixture into our shot glasses. We'll take something flat to smash it down. I'm using the bottom of my whisk. You can also use your fingers. The next step is to take out the step 2 bag filling mix and pour it into a mixing bowl. Pour in 1.5 cups of milk. Mix on low for 30 seconds and then on the medium setting for an additional 3 minutes until it's thick. Next, we're going to put our cheesecake mix in an icing bag. I have a baggie, just a regular Ziploc baggie that I've used, and I've cut the tip off. And we're going to squeeze it into our shot glasses. Step 3 on the box is to take the real strawberry topping, and I'm just going to dog-ear the corner here and use this kind of like an icing bag to put this on top. So we're just going to go slowly around the top. And look at this, so professional. This is a quick and easy way to take your cheesecake dessert from average to elegant. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe.